Another day, another video. Welcome back to Frank's Way, everybody. As you know, we are also doing a side project on this channel. It's a father-son project, Skyline 2.8 GTX. We are converting it into a DR30 Tribute. We are not doing the FJ motor, we are actually doing the L28 platform, and we'll keep to that. Today we've removed the viscous clutch fan and installed an electric fan. Kind of did the wiring on the thermostat. We've replaced some proper horns on the car. What did we do else? We did the headlight upgrades on the Lightning. We did the exhaust system. For those of you that don't know, I've bought this vehicle. I've actually sold my WRX STI to fund this project. Bought a 2.8 Skyline GTX from Freek de Kock. 145,000 kilometers on the clock since 1985. Everything is functional: power steering, aircon, central locking, cruise control, electric windows. It's got all the bells and whistles, and it's an awesome condition inside and exterior. What I want to do is I want to actually give over to my son that he can tell you a bit more about Freek de Kock's Nissan and Datsun Heritage Museum in Bothaville.
So what he did when he was younger, he bought the old Nissans, like the 280Zs from what we know today, or like the 300 ZX, and he knew they were going up in value. So he bought them and restored them to pristine condition, and now he keeps them in the museum. And you're not going to twist his arm to buy one. We were very, very lucky.
Very fortunate to buy one. I'm not sure if it's the part that I told him it's going to be a father-son project or just buying one, but he was very clear about it. If you like it, that's the price, don't negotiate it. And I didn't, I just paid the man. We'll do a walk-around video on the outside of the car, and we'll do a bit of a ride-out. We had a GoPro on the back of the car, then you can hear a bit of noise as a car, exhaust sounds and whatnot. We'll be doing a few car shows soon with it. There's still obviously work there. I think there will be work on it always. Whatever we want to change, we'll change. But we're keeping it true to the L28 platform. We're not going to mess around with that. That will stay, although it's not going to be stock. But
Of course.
we'll talk about that more as we do the videos. But sit back and enjoy some of the videos that we've got available for you on them coming up.